Hello friends and YouTubers. Today I have Packtalk Edge for unboxing. Let's see what we have. Bluetooth 5.2 Packtalk Edge, that's the single. Let's see what's in the box. Very nice box, held by magnets. Wow, that's the main unit. Let's see what else is in the box. Papers, instructions, how to start. That's only one. Some instructions. In many languages. And sticker. And let's see what else. That's speakers. No, that's some extra. We'll see later. Here is speakers. That's speakers. That's boom mic and main unit for helmet and USB cable for charging. So that's everything what came in the box. USB A to USB C charging cable, main unit for the helmet, and it's really, look at this, it's up, no way to come down. You have to press here and then you can slide it out. And boom mic, this is speakers, one holder for if you want to attach it near the helmet. This is some extra, for extra space. It's pretty thick. If you have speakers very in your helmet, not near your ears. This is mic for air-free helmet. Holder for if you want to stick it, it's flexible on your helmet, and some extra for mic and for speakers. I will not use this or this because I bought this Cardo adapter for my Neotech free. In next video I will show you how to mount it in the helmet. Thank you.